it's Brooke with WTI.
Are you looking for a universal bike that'll help you withstand the elements of nature? It can live up to the terrain and also just be a great commuter bike. Well, check out this one by Ecarpat. This is our mountain bike, the 21 speed. It's great at a BMX park if you want to get in some jumps or a long trail. It's very comfortable. It's also wonderful for getting up a hill with a mountainous climb or gravel. This is comfortable for riding and it's fun to ride as well. You can adjust the gears and make it perfect for whatever setting you're in. And it comes with this kickstand to hold it up very nicely. The material is strong. It's made of carbon steel, which is wear resistant and corrosion resistant. And I love that nothing falls off once it came. It was 85% assembled and there's a few pieces that needed to be assembled and everything was there and nothing has come loose since. So this has really been fun, helps us to enjoy nature and get places fast. It also has a dual disc brake, so it can brake in an instant when you need it to. So this has been great for all of our adventuring. It also has this dual full suspension. It helps absorb the rough terrain that we're in or the impact. You can see it here. It has a 2 spots that helps absorb the shock, the soft cushion seat, and the gear settings that are easy to adjust and get it to the right gear. It has a bell as well. And this has just been great. The tire traction is perfect, so you can really get your bike in the best setting and enjoy the best rides. So if you're looking for a wonderful bike, this has been perfect.
We love it, but that's just my point of view.